Okay, namaste everybody. Thank you so much for joining today's, Vaikuntha Ekadasi celebrations. It was so nice to have you all. We will start with Vishnu Sahasranama chanting. This is the end portion, 7 to 8. We are so happy that the day went so well with so much of lots and lots of blessings and devotional activities. Let me share my screen. I just see one person who has raised the hand. If others are willing to chant, please raise your hands. Let me call one by one. Um, Yes, Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, can you please start from Purva Pitika? We'll go by 20 shlokas each.
Okay, thank you.
Please start.
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्मसंसारबन्धनात् विमुच्यते
Yes, sir.
विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ॐ नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मान् शेषेण पावनानि च सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाभ्यभाषत श्रीयुधिष्ठिर उवाच किमेकं दैवकं लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणं स्तुवन्तः कं कमार्चन्त प्राप्नुयुर्मनवा शुभं को धर्मः सर्वधर्माणां भावतः परमो मतः किं जपन्मुच्यते जन्तुर्जन्मसंसारबन्धनात् श्रीभीष्म उवाच जगत्प्रभुं देवदेवम् अनन्तं पुरुषोत्तमं स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण पुरुषः शततो पितः तमेव चर्चयन्नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययम् ध्यायन् स्तुवन् नमस्यं च यजमानः तमेव च अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं
Yes.
लोकद्य अनादिनिधनं विष्णुं सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं लोकाध्यक्षं स्तुवन्नित्यं सर्वदुःखतिगो भवेत् ब्रह्मण्यं सर्वधर्माग्नं लोकानां कीर्तिवर्धनं लोकनाथं महद्भूतं सर्वभूतभवोद्भवम् ईशमे सर्वधर्माणां धर्मोऽधिकतमो मतः यद्भक्त्या पुण्डरीकाक्षं स्तवैरर्चयन् नरा सदा परमं यो महत्तेजः परमं यो महत्तपः परमं यो महद्ब्रह्मा परमं यः परायणं पवित्राणां पवित्रं यो मङ्गलानां च मङ्गलं दैवतं देवतानां च भूतानां यो व्ययः पिता यतः सर्वाणि भूतानि भवन्त्यादियुगागमे यस्मिंश्च प्रलयं यन्ति पुनरेव युगक्षये तस्य लोकप्रधानस्य जगन्नाथस्य भूपते विष्णोर्नाम सहस्रं मे शृणु पापभयापहं यानि नामानि गौणानि विख्यातानि महात्मनः ऋषिभिः परिगीतानि तानि वक्ष्यामि भूतये ऋषिर्नाम्ना सहस्रस्य वेदव्यासो महामनः छन्दोनुष्टुप् तथा देवो भगवान् देवकीसुतः अमृतं शुद्भवो बीजं शक्तिर्देवकीनन्दनः रिसामा हृदयं तस्य शान्त्यर्थे विनियुज्यते विष्णुं जिष्णुं महाविष्णुं प्रभविष्णुं महेश्वरम् अनेकरूपं दैत्यानं दैत्यन्तं नमामि पुरुषोत्तमम्। अस्य
Thank you.
श्रीविष्णोर्दिव्यसहस्रनामस्तोत्रमहामन्त्रस्य श्रीवेदव्यासो भगवान् ऋषिः अनुष्टुप् छन्दः। श्रीमहाविष्णुपरमात्मा श्रीमान् नारायणो देवता अमृतां शूद्भवो वानुरिति बीजं देवकीनन्दनश्रेष्ठेति शक्तिः उद्भवः शोभनो देव इति परमो मन्त्रः शङ्खभ्रून should I stop or
Yeah, please continue. You have just started. It's okay. Please continue, ma'am.
शङ्खभ्रूननदाकी चक्रीतिकीलकं शारङ्गधन्वा गदाधर इति अस्त्रं रतङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ इति नेत्रं त्रिसमसमग समेते कवचम् आनन्दं परब्रह्मेति योनिः ऋतुसुदर्शनकाल इति दिग्बन्धः श्री विश्वरूप इति ध्यानं श्रीमहाविष्णुप्रीत्यार्थे श्रीसहस्रनामजपि विनियोगः।
You like to continue, ma'am, or I'll ask the next person?
You can ask anyone. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Nitika Debnath, ma'am.
ध्यानं क्षीरोधन्वत् प्रदेशे शुचिमणिविलसत्सैकते मौक्तिकानां मालालापत सनस्वत स्फटिकमणिनिभै मौक्तिकै मण्डिताङ्गः शुभ्रैरभ्रैरधभ्रैरुपरि विरचितै मुक्तपीयूषवर्षै आनन्दीनः पुनीयात Ma'am, can you sing with me?
Dena पुनीयाद्धरिनलिनकथा शङ्खपाणिर्
मुकुन्दः भूपादौ व्यासनाभिव्यदस्तनीलचन्द्रसूर्य च नेत्रे कर्णावासा शिरोद्यमुखमपि दहनो यस्य
वासेयमब्धिः
अन्तस्तम्
यस्य विश्वं
सुरनरखगो भोगि गन्धर्वदैत्ये
चित्रं रं यतीतं त्रिभुवनवपुषं
विष्णुमीशं नमामि।
ॐ
ॐ
नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं मेघश्यामं पीतकौशेयवासं श्रीवत्स सज्जं कौशुतो भासितांगं पुण्योपीतं पुण्डरीकायताक्षं विष्णुं वन्दे सर्वलोकैकनाथम् नमः समस्तभूतानां आदिभूताय भूकृते अनेकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे सशं Ma'am, can you
सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्तलं
सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलशोभिकौस्तुभं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम् ॐ विष्णुं should I continue?
Yeah. 20 shlokas. No, we still have
Okay.
छायायां पारिजातस्य
छायायां पारिजातस्य हेमसिंहासनोपरि आसीननं दश्यामम् अयताक्षम् अलङ्कृतं चन्द्राननं चतुर्बाहुं श्रीवत्सानिकवक्षसं रुक्मिणी सत्यभामाभ्यां सहितं कृष्णमाश्रये ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ विषयमय नमः।
Please continue for another 10.
विश्वं विष्णुर्वषट्कारो भूतभव्य भवत्प्रभु भूतकृत् भूतभृद् भावो भूतात्मा भूतभावनः भूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागति अव्यय पुरुष साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च योग योग विदानेता प्रधान पुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंह वपु श्रीमान् केशव पुरुषोत्तमः सर्व शिवस्तानुर्भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः संभवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभव प्रभुरीश्वरः स्वयंभू शंभुरादित्य पुष्कराक्षो महास्वनः अनादिनिधनो धाता विधाता धातुरुत्तमः अप्रमेयो ऋषिकेश पद्मनाभो मरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा स्त्वष्ट स्वतिष्ठ स्वविरो ध्रुवः
ध्रुवः
अग्रयः शास्तवक्
कृष्ण अग्राह्य शाश्वत कृष्णो लोहिताक्षप्रदर्शनः
प्रभु
प्रभूतस्त्रिकगुप्तामपवित्रं मङ्गलं परम्
ईशान प्राणदः प्राणो ज्येष्ठ
ज्येष्ठश्रेष्ठ प्रजापतिः
हिरण्यगर्भो भूगर्भो माधवो मधुसूदनो ईश्वरो विक्रमी धन्वी मेधावी विक्रमक्रमः अनुत्तमो दुरादर्शो कृतज्ञ कृतिरात्मवान् सुरेश शरणं शर्मा विश्वरेता प्रजाभव अह संवत्सनो व्यलय प्रत्यय सर्वदर्शनः.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Tejo Akka, please start 11.
Yeah, sure. सुरेशः शरणं शर्मा विश्वरेताः प्रजाभवः अहः संवत्सरो व्यालः प्रत्ययः सर्वदर्शनः अजः सर्वेश्वरः सिद्धः सिद्धिः सर्वादिरच्युतः वृषा कपिलमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिसृतः वसुर्वसुमनाः सत्यः समात्मा संमितः समः अमोघ पुण्डरीकाक्षो वृषकर
You're on mute. You're on mute.
ओके सॉरी अजः सर्वेश्वर सिद्धः सिद्धिः सर्वादिरच्युतः वृषा कपिरमेयात्मा सर्वयोगविनिसृतः वसुर्वसुमनाः सत्याः समात्मा संमितः समः अमोघ पुण्डरीकाक्षो वृषकर्मा वृषाकृतिः रुद्रो बहुशिरा बभ्रुः विश्वयोनिः शुचिश्रवाः अमृतः शाश्वतस्तान वरारोहो महातपाः सर्वगः सर्वविद्भानुर्विश्वक्सेनो जनार्दनः वेदो वेद्यविदव्यङ्गो वेदाङ्गो वेदवित्कविः लोकाध्यक्षः सुराध्यक्षो धर्माध्यक्षः कृताकृतः चतुरात्मा चतुर्दंष्ट्रश्चतुर्भुजः भ्राजिष्णुर्भोजनं भोक्ता सहिष्णुर्जगदादिजः अनघो विजयो जेता विश्वयोनिः पुनर्वसुः उपेन्द्रो वामनः प्रांशुर् अमोघः शुचिरूर्जितः अतीन्द्रसङ्ग्रहः सर्गो घृतात्मा नियमो यमः वेद्यो वैद्य सदा योगी वीरः माधवो मधुः अतीन्द्रियो महामायो महोत्साहो महाबलः महाबुद्धिर्महावीर्यो महाशक्तिर्महाद्युतिः अनिर्देश्य वपुः श्रीमान् अमेयात्मा महादृदृक् महेश्वासो महीभर्त श्रीनिवासः सताङ्गतिः अनिरुद्धः सुरानन्दो गोविन्दो गोविदाम्पतिः मरीर्चिर्दमनोहंसः सुपर्णो भुजगोत्तमः हिरण्यनाभः सुतपाः पद्मनाभः प्रजापतिः अमृत्यु सर्वदृक्सिंह सन्धाता सन्धिमान् स्थिरः अजो दुर्मर्षणः शास्ता विश्रुतात्मा सुरारिः गुरुर्गुरुर्तमो धामा सत्यः सत्यपराक्रमः निमिषो निमिषहस्रघ्वी वाचस्पतिरुधारधीः अग्रणीर्ग्रामणी श्रीमान् न्यायो नेता समीरणः सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् आवर्तनो निवृतात्मा संवृतः संप्रमर्दनः अह संवर्तको वह्निर् अनिलो धरणीधरः सुप्रसादः प्रसन्नात्मा विश्वदृग् विश्वभुग् विभुः सत्कर्ता सत्कृतः साधुर्जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः असंख्येयो अप्रमेयात्मा विशिष्ट सृष्टकृच्छुचिः सिद्धार्थः सिद्धसङ्कल्पः सिद्धिदः सिद्धिसाधनः वृषायी वृषभो विष्णुर्वृषपर्वा वृषोदरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविक्तः श्रुतिसागरः सुभुजो दुर्धरो वाग्मी महेन्द्रो वसुदो वसुः नैकरूपो बृहद्रूपः शिपिविष्टप्रकाशनः ओजस्तेजोद्युतिधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः वृद्धः स्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रश्चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः. Thank you, Suprita.
Chaitra ma'am, please start from 31.
अमृतांशुद्भवो भानुः शशबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः भूतभव्यभवन्नाथ पवनः पावनोन्नलः कामः कामकृत्कान्त कामः कामप्रदप्रभुः युगादिकृद्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजितनन्तजित् इष्टो विशिष्टशिष्टेष्ट शिखण्डी नौषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः अच्युतप्रतितप्राण प्राणधो वासवानुजः अपां निधिरधिष्ठानमप्रमत्तः प्रतिष्ठितः स्कन्दस्कन्दधरो धुर्यो वरधो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुर् आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः अशोकस्तारणस्तार शूरः शौरर्जनेश्वरः अनुकूलः शतावर्त पद्मी पद्मनिपेक्षणः पद्मनाभो अरविन्दाक्ष पद्मगर्भः शरीरभृत् महर्दिरुद्धो वृद्धात्मा महाक्षो गरुडध्वजः अतुलः शरभो भीम समयज्ञो हविर्हरिः सर्वलक्षणलक्षण्यो लक्ष्मीवान् समितिञ्जयः विक्षरोरोहितो मार्गो हेतुर्दामोदरः सहः महीधरो महाभागो वेगवानमिताशनः उद्भवक्षोभणो देव श्रीगर्भः परमेश्वरः करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुहः व्यवसायो व्यवस्थान संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परर्दिपरमस्पष्टस्तुष्टपुष्टशुभेक्षणः रामो विरामो विरजो मार्गो नेयो नयोन्नयः वीरः शक्तिमतां श्रेष्ठो धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः वैकुण्ठपुरुषप्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवपृतुः हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नो व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः परमेष्टि परिग्रहः उग्रः संवत्सरो दक्षो विश्रामो विश्वदक्षिणः विस्तारस्तावरस्ताणुः प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययः अर्थोऽनर्थो महाकोशो महाभोगो महाधनः अनिर्विण्णस्तविष्टोर्भुर्धर्मयूको महामकः नक्षत्रनेमिर्नक्षत्री क्षमः क्षामः समीहनः यज्ञयुज्यो महेश्यज्ज कर्तृं सत्रां सताङ्गतिः सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञानमुत्तमं सुवृत्तः सुमुखः सूक्ष्मः सुघोषः सुखदः सुहृत् मनोहरो जितक्रोधो वीरबाहुर्विधारणः स्वापनस्ववशो व्यापी नैकात्मा नैककर्मकृत् वत्सरो वत्सलो वत्सी रत्नगर्भोधनेश्वरः.
Thank you, ma'am. Anybody else would like to chant? Please raise your hands. Reena aunty, Padmavati aunty, Madhu, REV14. Anybody would like to chant?
Yes, Suprita.
Yes.
Shall I start?
Yes, aunty. 51.
Yes. धर्मगुद्धर्मी सदसदक्षरमक्षरम् अविज्ञाता सहस्रांशु विधाता कृतलक्षणः गभस्तिनेमि सत्त्वस्था सिंहो भूतमहेश्वरः आदिदेवो महादेवो देवेशो देवभृद्गुरुः उत्तरो गोपतिर्गोप्ता ज्ञानगम्या पुरातनः शरीरभूतभृद्भोक्ता कपीन्द्रो भूरि दक्षिणः सोमपो मृतः तपः सोमः पुरुचित्पुरुषोत्तमः विनयज्जय सत्यसन्धो दाशार्हा सात्वतां पतिः जीवो विनीतः साक्षी मुकुन्दो मितविक्रमः अम्भो नितिरनन्तात्मा महोदधिष्यन्तकः
अजोर्माहार्य स्वाभाव्यो जिता मित्रं प्रमोदनः आनन्दो नन्दनन्दो सत्यधर्मा त्रिविक्रमः महर्षि कपिलाचार्य कृतघ्नो मेदिनीपति त्रिपदस्त्रिदशाध्यक्षो महाशृंग कृतान्तकृत् महावराहो गोविन्दः सुषेणः कनकाङ्गदी गुह्यो गम्भीरो गहनो गुप्तश्चक्रगदाधरः वेदः स्वाङ्गजितो कृष्णो दृढः सङ्कर्षणोच्युतः वरुणो वारुणो वृक्षः पुष्कराक्षो महामनाः भगवानन्दी वनमाली हलायुधः आदित्यो ज्योतिरादित्यः सहिष्णुर्गतिसत्तमः
10 more, 20
Yes.
each.
सुधन्वकण्ड परशुर्दारुणो द्रविणप्रदः दिवस्कृत् सर्वदिग्वासो वाचस्पतिरयो निजः त्रिसामः सामघः साम निर्वाणं भेषजं भिषक् सन्न्यासकृश्चमः शान्तो निश्चशान्तिपरायणम्. Yes, Suprita, shall I continue?
And 10 more, no, till 70.
Till 70, okay. शुभांग शांत दस्रष्टा कुमुद कुमलेशयः गोहितो गोपति गोप्ता वृषभाक्षो वृषप्रियः अनिवर्ति निवृतात्मा संक्षेप्ता क्षेमकुश्चिवः श्रीवत्सवक्ष श्रीनिवास श्रीपतिं श्रीमतां वरः श्रीधर श्रीश श्रीनिवासः श्रीनिधि श्रीविभावनः श्रीधर श्रीकर श्रेय श्रीमान् लोकत्रयाश्रयः स्वक्ष स्वघ शतानन्दो नन्दिर्ज्योतिर्गणेश्वरः विजितात्मा विधेयात्मा सत्कीर्तिश्चिन्न संशयः उदीर्ण सर्वतच् अक्षुर अनीश शाश्वत स्थिरः भूषयो भूषणो भूतिर्विशोको शोकनाशनः अर्चिष्मानर्चित कुम्भो विशुद्धात्मा विशोदनः अनिरुद्धो प्रतिरथ प्रद्युम्नोमित विक्रमः कालनेमिनिहा वीरः शौरिः शूरजनेश्वरः त्रिलोकात्मा त्रिलोकेशः केशवः केशया हरिः कामदेव कामपाल कामी क्रांतकृतागमः अनिर्देशो पुर्विष्णु वीरो नन्तो धनञ्जयः.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
see, few of them have joined. If you're willing to chant, please use the raise hand icon so that I can call. If you're ready, you can let me know. Anybody wants to chant? Please raise your hands if anybody was willing to chant. Shlokam number 71, we will have to start. Nabina auntie, are you there? We'll go for another 20 shlokas, auntie. You're on mute. You're on mute.
Yes. ब्रह्मण्यो ब्रह्मकृत् ब्रह्म 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 विवर्धनः ब्रह्मविद् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मी ब्रह्मज्ञो ब्राह्मणप्रियः महाक्रमो महाकर्मा महातेज महोरगः महाकर्तृ महायज्वा महायज्ञो महाहविः स्तव्यस्तव प्रियस्तोत्रं स्तुतिस्तोतारणप्रिया पूर्णः पूरयिता पुण्या पुण्यकीर्तिरनामयः मनोजवस्तीर्थकरो वसुरेता वसुप्रदः वसुप्रदो वासुदेवो वसुर्वसुमनाहविः सद्गति सत्कृति सत्ता सद्भूति सत्परायणः शूरसेनो यदुश्रेष्ठ सन्निवासः सुयामनः भूतवासो वासुदेवः सर्वः सुनिलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो रुद्धो दुर्धरोता पराजितः विश्वमूर्तिर्महामूर्तिर्दीप्तमूर्तिरमूर्तिमान् अनेकमूर्तिरव्यक्तः शतमूर्तिशताननः एकोनैकसंकं किं यत्पदमनुत्तमं लोकबन्धुर्लोकनाथो माधवो भक्तवत्सलः सुवर्णवर्णो हेमांगो वरांगश्चन्दनांगदी वीरः विषमशून्य घृताशीलचलश्चलः अमानिमानदोमान्यो लोकस्वामी त्रिलोकदृक् सुमेधा मेधजो धन्या सत्यमेधाधराधरः तेजो वृषोद्युतिधरः सर्वशस्त्रामृतांवरः प्रग्रहो निग्रहो व्यग्रो नैकशृङ्गो गदाग्रजः चतुर्मूर्तिश्चतुर्बाहु चतुर्व्यूह चतुर्गतिः चतुरात्मा चतुर्बाहव चतुर्वेदविदेकपात् समावर्तो निवृतात्मा दुर्जयो दुरतिक्रमः दुर्लभो दुर्गमो दुर्गो दुरावासो दुरार्यः शुभांगो लोकसारंग सुतन्तुस्तन्तु वर्धनः इंद्रकर्मा महाकर्मा कृतकर्मा कृतागमः उद्भवः सुन्दरः सुन्दो रत्ननाभः सुलोचनः अर्को वाजसनशृङ्गी जयन्तः सर्वविजयी सुवर्णबिन्दुरक्षोभ्यो सर्ववागीश्वरेश्वरः महाहृदो महागर्तो महाभूतो महानिधिः कुमुदः कुन्दरः कुन्दः प्रजन्य पावनो निलः अमृतांशो अमृतवपु सर्वज्ञ सर्वतोमुखः सुलभः सुवृतः सिद्धः शत्रुजित् शत्रुतापनः निग्रोधोदुम्बरो अश्वश्चाणूरान्ध्रनिषूजनः सहस्रार्ची सप्तजिह्वा सप्तैदा सप्तवाहनः अमूर्तिरनगोचिन्त्यो भयकृद्भयनाशनः अणुद्बृहत् कृशस्थूलो निर्गुणो महान् अधृतस्वधृतस्वास्यं प्राग्वांशो वंशवर्धनः भारभृत्कथितो योगी योगीशः सर्वकामदः आश्रमश्रमणक्षामा सुपर्णो वायुवाहनः धनुर्धरो धनुर्वेदो दण्डो दमयिता दमः अपराजितः सर्वसः नियन्तो नियमो यमः सत्त्ववान् सात्विकः सत्या सत्यधर्मपरायणः अभिप्रायः प्रियर्होर्या प्रियकृत्प्रीतिवर्धनः विवाहसगतिर्ज्योति सुरश्रितृगविभुः रविर्विरोचना सूर्या सविता रविलोचनः अनन्तो हुतगद्भोक्ता सुखदोनैकदोग्रजः अनिर्विण्णिः सदामर्षि लोकाधिष्ठानोद्भुतः सनातनतमा कपिल कपिरव्यः स्वस्तिदः स्वस्ति कृस्वस्ति स्वस्ति भुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः अरोद्रो कुण्डली चक्री विक्रमूर्तिशासनः शब्दातिकः शब्दसः शिशिरशर्वरीशकरः अक्रूरपेशलो दक्षो दक्षिणक्षमिणाम्बरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभयः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः उत्तारणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः रक्षणः सन्तो जीवनपर्यवस्थितः अनन्तरूपो अनन्ताजिजितमन्युर्भयापः चतुरस्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः.
Thank you, Auntie. I see so many have joined newly. Would you like to participate in the chanting? Please raise your hands so that I can call. Is there anyone? I'll be helping, so no worries. Anybody would participate? Or just unmute and you can start. 101. Suparna ma'am, Savita ma'am, anybody? And I'll do. अनादिर्भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिराङ्कतः जननो जनजन्मादिर्भीमो भीमपराक्रमः आधारनिलयो धाता पुष्पः सप्रजाकरः ऊर्ध्वकः सत्पथाचार प्राणतः प्रणवप्पनः प्रमाणं प्राणनिलय प्राणप्रत्प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेकात्मा जन्म मृत्युजराधिकः भूर्भुवस्वस्तरुस्तारः सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञाङ्गो यज्ञवाहनः यज्ञप्रत्यज्ञकृत् यज्ञभोक् यज्ञसाधनः यज्ञान्तकृत् यज्ञगुह्यमन्नमन्नाद एव च आत्मयोनिस्वयं जातो वैवामगायनः देवकीनन्दन सृष्टा पापनाशनः शङ्खपृन्नन्दिनीचक्रीचार्गधर्माकदाधरः रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षप्रहरणायुधः श्रीसर्वप्रहरणायुध ॐ नमः इति वनमाली गतीशार्ङ्गी चङ्की चक्री जनन्तकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽपि रक्षतो वनमाली
गतीशाङ्गी
गतीशार्ङ्गी
शङ्की चक्री चनन्दकी श्रीमन्नारायणो विष्णु
वासुदेवोऽपि रक्षतो
रक्षतु
वनमाली गतीशाङ्गी
शङ्की
चङ्की
चक्री चनन्दकी
श्रीमान्नारायणो
श्रीमन्नारायणो विष्णु
विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽपि रक्षतो श्रीवासुदेवोऽपि रक्षतो नमः इति इदं कीर्तनीयस्य केशवस्य महात्मनः नाम्नां
सहस्रदिव्यानाम् अशेषेण
Anybody
प्रतिष्ठितम्
who would like to chant, because if too many are saying, no, it will start echoing. Chandrasena Mohan ma'am, would you like to chant?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, please start. Ititam kirtaniyasya Falashruti Pat. Please start.
Okay. Iti तनीयस्य केशवस्य शृणुयां नित्यं यशा विवदिष्यते नाशुभं फलिता
Ma'am, it is breaking. I think the connection is not proper. Can you please check?
I will leave and come back. If anyone is interested, let them continue.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay. Kirti ma'am, would you like to chant? It's okay. I'm there.
Understand with you. I can't. This part I'm not sure. The first 50 I'm okay.
Okay.
But
Okay, we both will chant. No problem. Yeah. Come, let's chant. Iti tham kirtaniyasya keshavasya pramahatmanah namnam sahasram vyanam aseshena prakirtitam
Yeah,
शृणुया नित्यं यश्चापि परिकीर्तयेत् नाशुभं प्राप्नुया किञ्चित् सोमुद्रेह च मानवः वेदान्तको ब्राह्मणः स्यात् क्षत्रियो विजयी भवेत् वैश्यो धनसमृद्धः स्यात् शूद्रसुखमवाप्नुयात् धर्मार्थी प्राप्नुयात् धर्मम् अर्थार्थी चार्थमाप्नुयात् कामानवाप्नुयात् कामी प्रजार्थीश्चाप्नुयात् प्रजाम् भक्तिमान्यः सतोधाय शुचिस्तत्कसमानसः सहस्रं वासुदेवस्य नाम्नाम् एतत् प्रकीर्तयेत् यशः प्राप्नोति विपुलं यादि प्राधान्यमेव च अचलां श्रियमाप्नोति श्रेयः प्राप्नोत्यनुत्तमम् न भयं क्वचिदाप्नोति वीर्यं तेजस्य विन्दति भवत्यरोगो द्युतिमान् बलरूपगुणान्वितः रोगार्तो भयान्मुच्येत भीतस्थो मुच्येतापन्न आपतः दुर्गान्यतितरस्याशो पुरुषः पुरुषोत्तमं स्तुवन्नाम सहस्रेण नित्यं भक्तिसमन्वितः वासुदेवाश्रयो मर्त्यो वासुदेवपरायणः सर्वपापविष्णुधात्मा यदि ब्रह्म सनातनं न वासुदेव भक्तानाम् अशुभं विद्यते क्वचित् जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि भयं नैवोपजायते इमं स्तवमतीयान श्रद्धा भक्तिसमन्वितः युज्येतात्मसुखः शान्तिः श्रीधृति स्मृतिकीर्तिभिः न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो न शुभा मतिः भवन्ति कृतपुण्यानां भक्तानां पुरुषोत्तमे द्योषसेन्द्रार्क नक्षत्राकं दिशो भूर्महोदतिः वासुदेवस्य वीर्येण विद्रुतानि महात्मनः ससुरासुरगन्धर्वं सयक्षोरगराक्षसं जगद्वशे वर्ततेदं कृष्णस्य च चराचरम् इन्द्रियाणि मनोबुद्धिः सत्त्वं तेजो बलं धृतिः वासुदेवात् महान्याहुः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञ एव च सर्वागमानाम् आचारप्रथमं परिकल्पते आचार्यप्रभवो धर्मो धर्मस्य प्रपुरच्युतः ऋषयः पितरो देवा महाभूतानि धातवः जङ्गमाजङ्गमं छेदं जगन्नारायणोद्भवं योगो ज्ञानं तथा शाक्यं विद्याशीलतिकर्मठ वेदाशास्त्राणि विज्ञानम् एतत् सर्वं जनार्दनात् एको विष्णुर्महद्भूतं पृथक् त्रीन् लोकान् व्याप्य भूतात्मा भुङ्क्ते विश्वभुकव्ययः इमं स्तवं भगवतो विष्णोर्व्यासेन कीर्तितं पठेते इच्छेत् पुरुषः श्रेयः प्राप्तुं सुखानि च
Vishweshwaram Ajam Devam.
Vinante, would you like to continue from here?
Yes, shall I?
Yes, Aunty.
From Arjuna Uvacha.
One shloka before.
Yes. Vishveshwaramajam devam jagatha prabhavavyayam bhajanti ye pushkaraksham nate yanti parabhavam nate yanti parabhavam om namo iti Arjuna uvacha padmapatra vishalaksha padmanabha surottama bhaktan anuraktanam trata bhavajanardana श्रीभगवानुवाच यो मां नाम सहस्रेण स्तोतुमिच्छति पाण्डव स्नोहमेकेन श्लोकेन स्तुत एव न संशयः स्तुत एव न संशय ॐ नमो इति व्यास उवाच वासनाद् वासुदेवस्य वासितं तो जगत्प्रयं सर्वभूतनिवासो हि वासुदेव नमोऽस्तु ते श्रीवासुदेव नमोऽस्तुत ॐ नमो इति पार्वती उवाच केनोपायेन लघुना विष्णुर्नाम सहस्रकं पठ्यते पठितैर्नित्यं श्रोतुमिच्छाम्यहं प्रभुः ईश्वर उवाच श्रीराम राम रामेति रमा रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम नाम वरानन ॐ नमो ब्रह्म उवाच नमोऽस्तु अनन्ताय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादाक्ष शिरोहुबाहुवे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटियुगधारिणे नमः सहस्रकोटियुगधारिणे नमः ॐ नमो इति संजय उवाच यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयोर्भूतिर्ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम श्रीभगवानुवाच अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मा ये जना पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवानि युगे युगे आर्ता विषण्णा शिथिलाश्च भीताः घोरेषु च व्याधिषु वर्तमानाः संकीर्त्य नारायण शब्दमात्रं विमुक्तदुःखाः सुखिनो भवन्ति कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा हृद्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा हृद्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि इति श्रीमद्महाभारते शतसहस्राज्ञा संहितायां वैयासिक्याम् अनुशासिक पर्वणि मोक्षधर्मे भीष्म युधिष्ठिर संवादे श्री विष्णोर्दिव्य सहस्रनाम स्तोत्रम संपूर्णम्.
Anybody would like to chant Mahalakshmi Ashtakam?
I know only first 2-3 slokas. Shall I say?
Yeah.
नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते चङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते नमस्ते गरुडारूढे कोलासुरभयङ्करी सर्वपापहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते सर्वज्ञे सर्ववरदे सर्वदुष्टभयङ्करी सर्वदुःखहरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते सिद्धिबुद्धिप्रदे देवी भक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायिनी मंत्रमूर्ते सदा देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते.
Anybody would like to continue?
Can I
Which will-
continue?
Yes, ma'am, please.
आद्यन्तरहिते देवी आदिशक्ति महेश्वरी योगजे योगसम्भूते महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते स्थूलसूक्ष्म महारौद्रे महाशक्ति महोदरे महापापे हरे देवी महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते पद्मासनस्थिते देवी परब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी परमेशी जगन्माता महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते श्वेतांबरधरे देवी नानालङ्कारभूषिते जगत्स्थिते जगन्माता महालक्ष्मी नमोऽस्तुते महालक्ष्मी अष्टकस्तोत्रं यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् सर्वसिद्धिमाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा एककालं पठेन्नित्यं महापापविनाशनं द्विकालं यः पठे नित्यं धनधान्यसमन्विताः त्रिकालं यः पठे नित्यं महाशत्रुविनाशनं महालक्ष्मीर्भवेन् नित्यं प्रसन्नवरदा शुभा इति श्रीमहालक्ष्मी अष्टकं सम्पूर्णम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Vidyaka, are you there? We still have 15 minutes. Should we continue one more round? It will. Tejaka.
That's fine, Suprita. We will have some closure now. Okay. That's okay.
Thank you.
Please stay back just 1 minute, 1 moment. Vidyaka will be joining.
एक सेकंड
Namaste, Suprita. So we are done with the.
Yeah, one round Vishnu Sahasranama completed along with Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. So
Oh, that's wonderful, wonderful then. Okay, then. So shall we close now?
yeah.
Oh. Thank you, everyone, for joining for the last session. It's been a wonderful journey. I think even for us, it's for the first time that we are engaging like this for 12 hours, and very, very happy. I must thank all my team members, without which this wouldn't have been possible. Starting from Veena Amma, Tejaswini, Suprita, Nagalakshmi, Divya, Manasa, all of you. Thank you very, very, very much. And last but not the Rohini, who had volunteered, Aruna, who had volunteered. Thank you very, very much. And even if we arrange all of these things, trusting us and coming for every session, engaging your kids for the session, preparing them by giving them printouts. I must tell, Kirti asked me, when do I take the printout? Just 2 minutes before she made the child ready for the competition. So such wonderful parents. You all are giving very, very nice foundation for kids. And adults had one level of chanting, but then kids had super duper level of chanting. Even if I say, please stop, they want to chant full Ashtakam. They want to chant the complete Bhagavad Gita Adhyaya. And mothers and child, if they are together, then every other shloka that the child knows, mother saw that was chanted by the child. I was like, when do I stop them? That was not at all possible. Non-stop chanting. Complete Hanuman Chalisa kids have chanted. And in Nagalakshmi's match, we did it 4 to 5 times, I think. But in Nagalakshmi's match, 7 to 8 times Hanuman Chalisa was chanted. And full by one child, full chanting was done. That's really very nice. I loved the Rangoli session, which happened it was never an online. I was just thinking, how am I going to do online Rangoli competition? Even that went very nice. Explaining about traditions, we had Tanushri also coming in, Veenama sharing about her experiences, and story sessions. Stories shared by Vanita, Tejaswini, beautiful sessions. Every video is going to be uploaded onto our YouTube channel. If you want to learn, teach shlokas to your child, there is Shloka Bank now. Stories you want, Story Bank. Traditions you want to understand, there is one complete 1 hour video of traditions. I think we've got energy bundle, information bundle through this 12 hours of chanting. And if you just watch 1 hour of Vishnu Sahasranama, you will learn half of it just by listening to it. So I can't stop talking about what happened today. And this is the first time I had extended my upavasa as well. It was like always by afternoon, I would have had something. Today until 7 o'clock, I couldn't take anything. I couldn't take anything. It's not like I didn't take. I couldn't take anything because we had non-stop session. Then I left to Tejaswini and said, I'll have something. I'm really feeling very hungry. And I took a small break. Apart from that, every session was so very engaging. Thank you very much. Hoping to continue doing this. Let it grow to 24 hours by next year. And our team also let it extend so that we can facilitate 24 hours of chanting, because many USA parents and students asked, when are we going to do? Even after that, even then Dharini and all, they joined. But even they will be missing these kind of sessions. So we want to do it for 24 hours by next year. Thank you very much to all the students, Samskara students, Garbha Samskara students. I could see our Lalita Sahasranama students, Vishnu Sahasranama students, all the students, Bhagavad Gita students, everybody have participated here. And last but not the least, our Instagram community, WhatsApp community, beautiful responses. Thank you very much. Yes, I did mention Divya. Thank you, Divya. Special thanks to Divya because she's there with us for all 12 hours. I at least took some break. She hasn't taken even a small break. Messaging to every parent, sending the WhatsApp links. Oh my God, it's a very tedious work. Divya, please take full break. And we are so after Abhyasa program, this was a super big hit. We are going to start with double energy to all into our classes from Monday onwards. You've given us such nice experience, and over to all of you. I want each one of you to share your feedback and let us know where we can improve, what went good, what didn't went good. We are open for improvements and we want to improve, we want to grow. That's continuous improvement itself is our bread and butter, I must say, to go forward. So over to you, Suprita. With this, I want to close my closing note for the day. Vaikunta Samagama was a huge success for me. I hope it is for all of you. Over to you, Suprita. We'll start from Suprita. Whoever is there in the line, I will keep calling your names. Just one sentence.
I am part of the team, no? Like, okay.
Yeah, I am also part of the team. I did speak, right? Please.
Yeah. So this was a total new experience, I should say. The whole 12 hours starting from 8 o'clock. So I did not participate in the early hours for chanting. It was like the later section I was able to do. One more thing is I was able to chant Ramavatara during the session. It is there as part of recording in Hanuman Chalisa video. So the entire Rama...
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
And
Suprita, I missed mentioning this. From the time we met Suprita, she told that she has learned Narayanam and all that. But I had frankly never heard of it also. But today I could listen to her melodious voice so nicely. She has chanted. And we know how strong our teachers are. Now how knowledgeable our teachers are. This was a nice experience for all of us to get to know each other as well. I got to know about so many new things what Veena Amma had told, Tejaswini told, Suprita told. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Suprita. She initiated that. I will do this on this during Hanuman Chalisa. I will sing. So I said, please go ahead. It should be a very good knowledge sharing session. So if you all want to listen to Narayani, you can go to Hanuman Chalisa, which happened at 11 o'clock, and she has sung that. So we will be uploading it by tomorrow, by Monday maximum, because I want Divya also to take a good break. So let's do it on Monday. Monday, all the videos will be uploaded. Yes, Suprita, over to you.
Yeah, so it was also done. I was so happy, like during an Ekadashi day, like the traditions speak. My mom has always said, like we are supposed to read Sundarakandam or Ramayana, everything. When Vidyaka had started this, like she sent a voice note initially asking, like, shall we do this? I was confused. Like she said, Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama, but I was confused, like where to choose. Is it Narayaniyam or Bhagavatam or the real Sundaragandam? Ramavatara, we have it in Valmiki Ramayana also. I was picking the whole night, like which will be appealing, or it will be covering the whole portion. It is like the whole Ramayana has to be said on this day. So I was thinking, and later I got this idea. We'll do Ramavatara and Krishna Avatara and from Srimad Narayanam, which will cover everything. So 40 shlokas totally will cover both Rama Avatara and Krishna Avatara. So we were able to do Rama Avatara. That had Sundaraganda also inside. The third shloka and Rama Avatara covers the entire Sundaragandam. There was a screen share also. So Hanuman Chalisa, we did 5 rounds of Hanuman Chalisa and 5 to 7 times of Vishnu Sahasranama, morning session and the evening session. So this was wonderful. Many things, Rangoli competitions and traditions. Having a chat with Veenama is always, informative. We get to learn so many, even if it is a small thing, we get to learn. We are missing such elders in our family, like, who keeps telling us like this has to be done, that has to be done. So that was again another session, traditions, which she was speaking. Thank you, Veena aunty. I had a lot of things. The patience she has is immense, always, as always. So thank you so much. It couldn't have been so wonderful without all of you joining and encouraging us to do it. So thank you so much for joining. And as usual, the team is always rocking. Samskara Vriksham is always rocking. Thank you so much for that too. Yeah. Anybody else would like to share their feedbacks? Please unmute.
Vijayalakshmi ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for the whole team. I've actually dropped in a chat message for the same. It was one of the beautiful initiatives that I could have even imagined during this particular time, where it is very crucial that our samskaras are being lost. I'm extremely happy to be a part of this, and that I was able to, especially on this Vaikuntha Ekadashi day, being such an auspicious day, that we could chant mantras together. And I missed the starting part because I was a little engaged in the morning. But yes, I would look forward to, especially the traditions part, which I always look forward to all my elders. So that part I'll surely go back and watch on the YouTube.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank
And my daughter is still 2 years, so right now I'm just looking when to make her. I've already started, but still she's yet learning. So I'm
shloka books to her so that she can visualize the shlokas and learn it quickly. It's just
Yeah.
like every other.
Correct. So I'm basically from an Ayurvedic doctor, so I have this background of Sanskrit. So that's one thing that's a plus point for me. So yes, I
Correct.
really loved the session. I hope it grows to a much bigger phase. And yes, I'll try my best to support this initiative. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All of you all did a great job today.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Kirti, please share your experience and feedback.
It was so wonderful. Actually, I didn't think that I could join or anything. I just wanted to come to the morning session, Vishnu Sahasranam. I thought evening would be very busy. But luckily, things fell in place. Evening, I just told her, Hanuman Chalisa is there. Do you want? I just joined. I just saw the phone. Sorry, why not? I just joined. She said, Amma, I will. She started. This is the
We
first
both
time.
sang together.
Yeah, they both sang.
This is the first time since she was 2, I was singing. Suprita ma'am sent her video. So when she was 3.5 in front of Jatayu, she started singing Hanuman Chalisa, and everybody who were there, they're all in. They had darshan of Ramji with her this thing. So it was a bit, and she wanted to learn the last 20 dohas we learned from Suprita ma'am. So she is like, I want to sing them. Then coloring happened. I didn't think she would be ready. So what I did was, this is mine and this is hers. So
Wow.
luckily I found a shop so that so we did that. So it was
Beautiful.
my Ucharana is not proper like so many. So I didn't want to Vishnu Sahasranam, I didn't want to sing it by myself. Suprita ma'am. That's why I joined with you. Hope it was okay.
That's okay. We keep helping. It's okay. It is like
It's okay. Even now also we feel the same. So it's not so this thing. You are trying, you are on the way. So no
yeah.
problem, no worries.
Even if I
So
struggle,
glad.
Vidyaka will help or Veena auntie will help. I have asked
Even
recordings
I
from
do
them.
the same. No, no.
So it is like nobody is perfect here. We are all learning. Every day is a learning process. So no problem. That's why I said like, come on, let's chant. It's okay.
It was beautiful overall. I didn't it has been years since when growing up. Appa always puja early. We all should be there. So Vishnu Sahasranam and Venkatesha Suprabhat. After years, I am singing that today. So chanting it today. So it was very beautiful. That too on Vaikuntha Ekadashi. Slowly blessed. Thank you so much for the entire team.
And actually, these things happen offline, that too in big institutions like Sringeri and all. Here,
Yes,
that too on online, and this without break. They give break at least for 1 hour to or 2 hours for
yes.
breakfast or anything. But here, no no break also. So completely, we have strictly followed the this
Thanks to the
Upavas.
team. If the team wouldn't have been there, we couldn't have
Yeah,
done this.
otherwise, no, Vidya.
All
I'm
of them.
worrying.
So blessed
Actually,
that
how everybody is sitting.
at this time and age, we
Thank
have
you all.
people like you. So I'm so truly grateful. I was telling Vidya that day that I'm so glad for this initiative that you've done. Our samskar, our everything is going away. Allah. So it's very
Correct.
beautiful that all of you have come together and formed such beautiful to give
Yes,
it
we
to
are, we
others.
are, we are all feeling happy and we are all blessed to have you all. This crowd is it's not simple. It's a crowd of mind, and that is mindful. Yeah,
Yeah.
same mentality.
Like-minded.
Yeah, like-minded crowd this is. So this is, I call it as a crowd only, because that to online gathering of this such a for 8 to 8, it's not at all an easy thing. Everything credit goes to first Vidya and all other team members.
We hope every this thing Ekadashi, some small part, not 8 to 8, but
Yes,
evening,
yes,
another it
yes,
will
we have to
be.
do.
We need to stick to this thing, the
Yes.
fasting and now we have started fasting again and all that. After years of working, I'm in the medical field. So if I tell I'm doing Ekadasi, they're like, what is this for your profession? You can't and all of that. But food is you don't need so much food, Allah. That is what is the beauty of this thing. When you're in the state of God, when you practice your dharma, and I think we are always with God. So amazing. I hope to see more of this thing. Hope I can join also every time you do it. Thank you.
Thank you. Chandra?
Thank you so much for making this. Actually, it's been very long time. I didn't do any kind of Vishnu Sahasranama during I have ever attended on Ekadasi. Usually, I used to think like at least for at least 15 minutes we should join and we should say something. But due to something or the other, I just missed everything. But I have taken note that from Vaikuntha Ekadasi, at least we should chant Vishnu Sahasranama in this group like that. So to a small step today is the thing that happened. I'm so
I must tell,
happy.
it is very melodious, and I'm sure it was singing which actually pulled you first. And
Yes,
then
exactly. Exactly.
they're very
Actually,
nicely.
I was like thinking to join joined in the morning, but since Joshita had school today, no, it was not possible for me, and due to my own personal things, my husband was sick. At least from 2 to 3, I should concentrate and I should just ensure myself being involved in this. So thank God it happened.
Right.
And kudos to all
Thank you.
the team members. Likely, I also want to volunteer myself to the next Ekadasi. We'll see. Fingers crossed.
Definitely, definitely.
Sure, sure.
Definitely, Chandra. I'll pull you.
Yeah.
Tejaswini?
Vidya. Seriously, I'm telling you, some sort of thing that we should do, not only for ourselves but to the community that we are in around.
Exactly.
That
True,
that alone will make us to put our own traditions to our people at least, so that it just inculcate to the kids as well. At least it should go, it should spread. That is the only thing I just want to do it actually. Some way or the other, I myself want to make myself volunteer in the spiritual things as of now. That what it's been into me, like I don't know how it came. I used to have, but by seeing many things in around me, I just make myself motivated. Like which I left in my childhood, I'm just trying to inculcate now. At least by seeing me, my daughter will try to come out. No, I'm just doing in that way. Positively, it should continue with all blessings. That's all. Thank you so much. And my
Actually,
best
I'm
wishes to
remembering
your entire team.
Actually, I'm remembering my mother. Okay. She used to go from 10 to 2 o'clock and come back and again go at 4 o'clock and coming at night in such days. Now my daughter is sitting at home only. She is doing the same thing. Sorry, I did. Yeah. No, the
And
efforts.
involving you also.
Involved also. Yes.
Tejaswini, please give your experience and feedback. You were there for most of the time.
Yes.
Actually, I should thank Tejaswini. You know, she was just reminding me, giving me messages and all. It's happening. By her notification only, okay, it's 2 o'clock. I should make myself ready. Everything just came into my mind and I was just dressing up, doing everything, and it's done actually. Thank you for your update. And, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Yes, it was a nice journey. We were thinking of doing something like 10 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, and Vaikuntha Ekadashi, instantly we picked it up, where I also involved in almost all the events which we had planned. Only two I missed, Kids Hanuman Chalisa and Bhajan. Maybe I'll look into the recordings. Where during Rangoli session, when I was monitoring, even I was feeling like when I have to draw Rangoli, I'm missing it. Okay, maybe next time I'll participate.
If you had kept your laptop down, you also could have.
I also could have done it. That's okay. Next time I'll.
Rangoli doing Josh, I missed telling you. Otherwise, I would have told.
No, that's fine. No, monitoring was there. No, I was peacefully listening to the songs which was playing. I was enjoying that. The overall experience was nice. Maybe monitoring, sending in individually messages to them and giving this with those, I have to send them reminders. I am reminding myself 2 hours prayer, 3 hours prior to that time. So this was like today our mind was always here, no extra thoughts or nothing. We were 8 to 8, we are completely here, and now I feel we will be hearing the same voices, the same talks, and all will be there. I feel so
Like jet lag.
yeah, like jet lag. But it was a very nice experience. I hope we will plan few more again. And everyone who participated had so much interest, and so actively they have taken it up. Few have attended continuous 3 hours, 4 hours with us. I see now Padmavati ma'am is still here. From morning she is there.
Exactly.
Vanita also was there for 4 to 5 hours together. Vijayalakshmi ma'am is there. So this
Soumya was
gives
there.
us, Soumya was
Yeah.
there. So what we feel, okay, we have to do some more because of the response, whatever you are sharing. We feel, okay, no, 12 hours is done. We will target some more duration of
That is what we feel. Thank you everyone for making this event a grand success. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you, Divya, for always instant support on the line, on the during the event as well. Yes, let's have more. I thank all the teachers as well, are our team members. Unknowingly, we are connected. That's how what I felt was, everyone will be in the position of monitoring. Everyone knows what material is required or what support is required. So
Correct.
instantly, without asking, also we are receiving messages from our
Yeah, I asked something to Divya and I got message from Suprita.
Yes,
Instantaneously. She sent me lyrics. I'm
correct,
like,
correct.
oh, in the team. So
Yes,
nice it is. And
yes,
even for she was actually, she had not given, her name was not there.
yes,
Suprita, come, tell me about your traditions. I called
yes,
her. And
correct.
she would have planned something else, right? See, she instantaneously came, she attended, she told, it was very naturally, as though
Correct.
as family members we all were
Yes.
in
Even
today's.
I felt the same thing. Some family event, we know what is the process of tradition happening, we will support. But here, everything is instant, everything is online, and we are getting messages, we are getting that support all over. So that was like, okay, our bond as a team is also much more stronger in this 12 hours today. That is what I
Exactly.
felt. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Vidya. Thank you, all the team
Thank
members.
you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so much.
everyone.
Divya, how was your experience? I know
Yes.
it was all rapid, check.
She is
She
so
was
tired. That is the
We need
experience.
to make a separate recording of Vidya's feedback now.
Thank you very, very much, Divya. She told when we announced the program itself, she told 8 to 8, full support, I will be there. That day itself, she told, first day itself. We allocated our names for each and every hour, but she told 8 to 8, I am there. So no questions asked. She's there and she has done it. So hats off to you. Thank you so much, Divya. No, I don't know if I would have been in your position, if I definitely would have done like that or not, I don't know. You go extra mile for the support, especially in such events in Abhyasa. Thank you very much, Divya. Please tell your experience.
First of all, I want to congratulate you, Vidya, and whole team, parents and students, all of them. When 3 days back we planned, no, I have doubt how will people will join. Whether we are able to do some marketing or announcement in 2 days. We don't know how we did. People joined and it was a great, wonderful experience. It's like this is the first time I did my Ekadashi. Till afternoon, I did fasting. After that, I have put.
Very nice, Divya. That's the beginning. That's the beginning. So
it's actually this past 30 years is equivalent to today's one Ekadashi. That's what I feel.
Wonderful. Yes, Divya told me, you are only telling 3 days. Oh, you will gather everyone. I said, Divya, you want reel, you want carousel, you want video. I will give everything. I will put on stories. I'll put everywhere. Full marketing in these 3 days. We will promote the program and let everyone come together. We will all be as a team and do it. Let's have a wonderful experience with this. That was the only intention, and everybody reciprocated the same.
It's like unplanned but successful.
Yes. So just imagine if we plan 15 days in advance, it will be much more beautiful. We can definitely do 24 hours.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Divya.
Sri Ramanavami is on the way, Akka.
Yeah.
Yes. Anuradha, Suparna, Nikita, are you all there? Nikita, Padmavati, madam, thank you so much for joining in. She sang beautiful.
Yes, and the kids have done a great coloring. I don't know, it's a great difficult task for the judge. Whenever I'm just seeing it now, I was like, okay, it's so nice, so apt. The colors they choose, how their vision is there. That is what even I was telling in the coloring session also. How they have visualized, and that's come in there in that today. Yes.
All right. Thank you, everyone. Let us close the session with the Shanti Shloka. Let's all join our hands and close our eyes. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् शान्ति 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 श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः कृष्णार्पणमस्तु thank you very much
Thank you.
let's all meet on Monday for our regular classes and let's all meet on Monday as well thank you so much
Thank you.
Ram
Namaste.
Ram
Thank
Ram
you.
Ram Ram Padmavati madam.
Thank you.
Ram Ram Vijay Anuradha Suparna Nikita Suprita Divya Tej thank you so much Ram Ram convey my regards to Joshita Chandra
You want to speak with her? Shall I
yeah if
give?
she's there
Yeah, she's there. Once again.
Stop recording.
we can stop the recording